17-6, the Washington Redskins hope to start the season with a win against an opponent they don't play very often. The last time the Redskins played the Pittsburgh Steelers at FedEx Field was also on a Monday night in 2008. Washington lost 23-6, and by the end of the game, the stands appeared to be filled with terrible towels. The Redskins finished last year with a 9-7 record and hope to build on the excitement toward another winning season and a deeper run in the playoffs. The opening kickoff by Pittsburgh went out of the end zone, and the Redskins opened up the 2016 season on their own 25. Tight end Jordan Reed seemed to be the only one to move the ball, catching 3 passes for 39 yards. The drive stalled out just past the 50, and the Redskins punted. The Steelers started their first drive on their own 13. The Redskins held strong for a run and 2 short passes, forcing Pittsburgh to punt from deep in their territory. A short by running back Mac Jones and a long catch and run by Deshaun Jackson moved the offense into field goal range quickly. Jones slashed for another 8 yards, took them down to the 22. A near interception almost ended the drive. Quarterback Kirk Cousins tried to hit Reed in the end zone, but the connection wasn't there. Another incomplete pass, and Dustin Hopkins drilled a 31-yard field goal to give the Redskins the early lead in the first quarter.